Hi, it's Anneli from Sussex Coast. Today we are making little masterboards out of book pages, just a bit like these, where we use different shades of book page, and then you can embellish them in whatever way you want. I've used some eco-dyed envelopes here, some illustrations, some stamping. So these will then provide excellent basis for tags or journaling cards or even journal pages. The thickness of your base determines the thickness of the masterboard, so this would make a decent book page, whereas this is a bit too sturdy, but actually it could make a decent journal cover if you were that way inclined. All right, so what do you need for this project? You need your book pages. If you have different shades, even better. If you look at my previous video where I talked you through the different kinds of book pages you can incorporate, even the ones that look painfully modern and boring can actually become brilliant graphic elements. Okay, so but we need some book pages that are intact because they will become our base, and the size of a book page and the thickness of a book page determines the size and sturdiness of your masterboard. So these are almost cardstock like, they're brilliant. This is very flimsy, but it's beautiful, and it could form a double page in a bigger journal if I wanted to. This one is a nice mid-sized one, and would work perfectly for the smaller journals I'm currently drawn to. This is a good size, it fits in my hand. It has too many signatures, so it's very chunky, but yeah, look at that, that will work. Okay, and this will also provide a decent size book page once it's done. Okay, so you need some book pages that are intact. The sewing machine is optional, but it just adds a little something. And of course you need the star of the show, which is the different book pages that we created in my previous video. We have different tones, we have different font sizes, different directions. They are all straight because I can't quite deal with wonkiness. So, but the way we will place them in different directions, it provides wonkiness anyway. All right, so it won't look regimented, and well, maybe a little bit anyway. Okay, so you need the core of your book pages. You need a glue stick, that's what I use. The Yoo-hoo stick does a decent job. And then for embellishments, you need your favorite stamps. They can be rubber stamps or homemade stamps or silicone stamps, and your favorite ink. This is archival, so it won't run if you then go over your masterboard with some other wet medium of your choice. I really like the Sumi ink though. It smells horribly, but boy, it is beautiful. The imprint it leaves, it is beautiful. Okay, gather your materials and let's get started. Another thing you can use, I forgot to mention, is brown paper that you have stamped on, because it just adds atmosphere and antiqueness, if that's a word, I don't know. Look at this. Right, let's use some of this as well. and the results are in. We went from this to this, to this,